In this video, I'll show you how to bypass parental controls on phone. The method is to VPN. The method is to use VPN because VPN creates an encrypted connection between a device and the internet. Masking IP addresses can ensure anonymity, so VPNs work by routing internet traffic through a server located in a different geographical location, making it appear as though the user is browsing from that server's location. It essentially functions as disguise. So all you have to do is subscribe to a VPN or find a free VPN on the Play Store or App Store, use it, then you will be able to bypass parental controls on your phone. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.